Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Post Show plugin video tutorial. Before exploring the plugin features, let me show you a few examples of the post showcase that can be created using the Smart Post Show plugin. You can create a beautiful carousel and grid layout with the Smart Post Show plugin. Once you have installed and activated the plugin in your WordPress dashboard, you will see a menu called Smart Post Show. When you click on it, it will take you to the Manage Shows page. Here you will find the list of your created shortcodes. Now click Add New to create a new shortcode and give it a title. Then select a layout preset from Carousel and Grid. Below that you will find a few configuration tabs. Initially you will be in the filter content. Here you can select post types from post and pages. Configure include only, exclude and limit value from here. Advanced filtering is the most important and unique feature of the plugin. You can filter your post by taxonomy, author, sort by, status and keyword. So let's select taxonomy and you will find the taxonomy related field added to the bottom of the page. Select taxonomy from category, post tag and post format. So let's select category and choose the category terms from where the post will be displayed. Now let's see how the post carousel looks like in the live preview. Click Show Preview and you will see the post show is displaying like this. You can create multiple taxonomy filtering by clicking the Add New button. Similarly, you can use multiple filter in your post showcase by checking those options one by one. And you will find those properties related field to be configured for all of them separately. Now let's move on to the display options. Here you will find a few more advanced properties to be configured, like you can set column, content orientation, border radius, background, inner padding, content fields and preloader option. You can also configure the thumbnail, title, meta fields and post content properties. I will explain those features deeply in another video. So now let's move on to the carousel controls. Here you will find the carousel control related properties, like you can select carousel mode, carousel speed, autoplay speed, pause and hover, infinite loop, lazy load, carousel direction and transition effect. And also you can configure the navigation and pagination related properties. Below that you will find a few properties to be enabled or disabled, so configure it as you like. Next one is detail page settings. Here you will find the post detail page related properties, like you can set detail page link type from single page or none and set link target from several options. Now let's move on to the typography settings. Here you can change the font color for post title, meta fields and post content. So now let's publish the shortcode and copy the shortcode ID from here. Go to a page where you want to display it. You can insert the shortcode in a Gutenberg editor in two ways. First, you can put the shortcode directly in a text code or shortcode block like this. And secondly, you can insert the shortcode from Gutenberg block. And when you select a shortcode, you can see a live preview is showing at the bottom of the shortcode. So now let's publish the page and view it. So as you can see, this is how the post showcase display in the front end. So let's go back to the shortcode and select grid. And go to the display options and scroll down a bit to get the pagination related properties to be configured. So let's set item per page to 8 and set the inner padding to 15 and set a border value to 1. Now if I update and reload the page, you can see this is how the post grid is showing in the front end. Now let's move on to the plugin settings menu. In the advanced settings, you will find the option to check if you want to clean up data when the plugin is deleted. Next one is script and styles. Here you will find all the CSS and JS used in the plugin to run it smoothly. Enable or disable the plugin accessibility. Write down the custom CSS and JS here to modify the plugin default styling. Next one is tools menu. Using the tools menu, you can export and import all the shows you have created using the plugin. So that's all about the Smart Post Show plugin today. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how you can use those features of the plugin to make your show even more attractive and meaningful. Until then, take care.